Now, baby, when my brows look like this, I'm automatically going to have a saucy makeup day. Here is an easy 3-step eyebrow tutorial for beginners that will give you that laminated model brow look. Step 1 is to laminate your brow hairs down with a good brow gel. I love to use the Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter. I have been using it for over 4 years at this point, and baby, nothing else compares. Not a single brow gel on the market, not a single glow gives what 24-hour brow setter gives. It gives what needs to be given, okay? I run it back and forth throughout my brow hairs, coating them generously before brushing them into a groomed direction. I then work to cement them down to my face as the brow setter slowly dries down. The trick is to continuously flatten your brow hairs down in the same direction until the brow setter is completely dry. It gives that laminated effect without having to perm your brows. I angle the brush so that both the comb and the flat side are working in harmony to tame my brow hairs and lock them in place. After this dries, your brow hairs literally aren't going anywhere. They won't move, baby. They're stuck in place. They're cemented. Step 2 is to stroke it, baby. We are not covering our beautiful brow hairs in pomade anymore. Stop it. Put the brush down. I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4, which is a warm, deep brown complementary to my natural brow hair color. Literally matches it perfectly, and flicking it in the direction in which my hairs lay, slowly creating a naturally fluffy, model-esque brow. I've also been using this particular brow pencil for over 4 years and keep coming back to it due to its ability to consistently create hair-like strokes regardless of how dull the tip gets from frequent use. Now listen, my other brow is my better brow and the one you mainly see in my photos. However, this is my good side, so you basically see on my rusty brow at this moment, but don't be judgy. For some reason, the strokes just come out better on that side. Y'all have that good brow that just always comes out perfect. Yeah, this one isn't it. This is just my rusty brow, and you'll see that other brow in a quick second. This is also a waterproof longwear pencil, so paired with a 24-hour brow setter, baby, you can definitely take her swimming on the first day. I'm just saying now. I find it to be super easy to simply flick a pencil through your brows, following your natural brow shape, because honestly, where could you go wrong? It just always gives your brow butt better every time. Step 3 is optional, but baby, something about a crispy underbrow just hits every time. I love to take my favorite concealer and a flat brush and clean up the bottoms of my brows for a polished and groomed appearance. Sometimes we stroke it a little bit outside of the lines and just need to sharpen up the edges just a little bit. A flat brush does the job for me, and I just allow its shape to guide me on the precision without having to exert too much energy on detail work. Now, you didn't hear this from me, but the brush you use is your secret weapon and fools people into thinking, baby, a professional makeup artist did your makeup. Shh, don't tell nobody. I make sure to blend that concealer out really well with an angled, fluffy brush that can work with the shape of my brow bone until the edge of that concealer seamlessly disappears into my skin and I am left with a gently highlighted brow. I'm not wearing a full face today, but if I was, I'd also clean up the tops of my brows with whatever foundation I had chosen to wear that day. You can definitely wear this brow with a bare face, a no makeup look, and even a full face, honey. It's very versatile and works with many different occasions. It's not harsh or bold, but airy, natural, and beautifully fluffy. I love this brow. It's my favorite brow, my go-to brow, mainly the only brow I wear. Literally perfect for the everyday girl and easy to achieve on a time crunch. Baby, all you have to do is throw on a quick brow and it looks like you put more effort into your appearance than you actually did. If you made it to the end, baby, you might as well subscribe and stay tuned for more back to basic beauty secret tips. Mwah.